everyone, my name is Divya and I'm going to be your sugar makeup expert for the day. I'm going to create this ombre eye makeup look and I hope you will like it. So let's get started. So for today's eye makeup look, I will be using the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in 01 Vogue. So taking a fluffy blending brush, I will dig into the shade Beige Mauve and slightly define my crease and outer corners. For my outer corners, I'll be using circular motions, and for the crease, I will be using wheel sheet viper motions from left to right. Make sure you're not putting a lot of pressure on the eyeshadow brush, otherwise you'll have harsh edges. And always tap off the excess to make sure there are no fallouts on your face. Now taking a new blending brush, I will dig into the shade Medium Brown and further deepen the crease and outer corners. Moving on, I will use the shade Deep Plum on the same brush and further deepen my outer corners. I'm only going to use this shade on the outer corners and not in my crease. Now taking a flat shader brush, I'm going to pick the shade Cream and start applying it on the inner half corners. Now using the same brush, I'm going to pick Light Coral and pack it between both the two shades on my lids. It's going to look harsh for the starting, but we are going to blend everything together, so don't worry. Now using the same blending brush, I'm going to pick the Deep Plum and start blending the outer edges. Now taking some more of the cream shade, I'm going to apply it on the inner corners again. So ombre eye makeup takes a lot of blending. It's very important for you to be patient. You will definitely get there. Keep applying and reapplying the colors till you get the right pigmentation. Now taking a small flat brush, I'm going to pick the shade Deep Plum and closely pack it to my lower lash line. Now I'll pick the Light Coral shade again and smoke out the lower lash line. Now picking the shade Champagne Gold, I'm going to highlight my inner corners and brow bone. Now I'll complete the look with Lash Mob Limitless Mascara in 01 Black with a Bang. Whenever you're applying mascara, remember to chin up and look down. Wiggle your brush through your eyelashes to spread the product evenly. And don't forget to apply mascara on your lower lash line. So that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this ombre eye makeup look. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share and subscribe to Sugar Cosmetics channel. Bye!